Today we will talk about configuration management. That is a part of the software process. The aim of CM is configuration management, we say CM, is to maintain integrity of software, the first and most important, okay? It includes the identification of the software and traceability. Two are the most important things: the product and the client. These are the aims of CLIL. Attention for the product and attention for the client. So, client care. The activities are for identification, change control, accounting of the state and revision, and auditing. This is about quality of software. Identification is of a document or of a code item. And we use to identify a document or an item a naming convention. So we choose the ID of the document, the release, the version. Okay? Second aspect, change control and baseline. There are two types of change control. The promotion change of the code at the internal of the project. So changes made by the programmers. And release. Release is the software we give to the client. Okay. We have to manage the state in any time of the project. We have to know what is the state of the software. Is in, is out, who is changing, or revision. We have to monitor the action on software items, on the configuration items. They can be software or documents. Who are involved in the CM? Configuration manager is the responsible. The member of the change control boards who approves the changes proposed by the client. The developer who made the change, and the auditor who control and ensure consistency of any release. It's okay? That's all.
Some practical activities.
Challenge our world's author. We have created a database of a few popular authors and their books, with word counts for each book. In this first step, said to all the authors, we have written more than 1 million words, using group by and having. Your result tables should include the author and their total word count as a total words count.
In the Java language, there are some specific terms that a learner should learn because they represent the fundamentals of a Java programming language.
Let's try to define 3 basic terms of Java programming language.
Well, what is an object? What do we mean by object?
An object is a software heap of related variables and methods.
Yeah, have we got another term to define it?
Yes, an instance. An instance is a executable copy of a class. So another name, for instance, is an object.
Yeah, well, perfect. And now, remember what an object-oriented programming concept is. Who knows that?
Me. It explains the main concepts which are behind object-oriented programming, so messages, classes, objects, and inheritance.
Yeah, that's good. Now, let's pass to some activities. by class?
Structure that defines data and methods to work on that data. All program data is wrapped in a class.
But what is inheritance? Yeah, what is meant by inheritance?
It's relationships among classes in an object-oriented language.
That's good. Very good.
Hello guys, in this example we are gonna look at a Java application using JDBC framework and how it connects to a database. So, let's look at our DDL file for the table's creation. For our example, we have just one table which will hold a list of actors described by a unique ID, a name, a surname, a birth year, and the number of Oscars that each one of them have won. Now, let's take a look at the Java side implementation. First of all, we have established a connection to the database by calling the getConnection method of DriverManager class by specifying our database URL, username, and password. Then, we have shown the use of statement and prepared statement in order to perform some CRUD operation and handle the results retrieved from the database.
This is a part of our CLIL experience as a teaching team involving me, Michele Ioffredo, as an information and technology teacher, Mrs. Ornella Andrisani, who has a wide experience as an information analyst, Mr. Variale as a senior technician in information technologies labs, and Mrs. Patrizia Cardone as an English teacher. Our collaboration has simulated a training of a job experience.
Hello everybody. We have just experienced a dual focus methodology in order to combine the development of English language competencies and the delivery of information technology content at the same time. This experience has showed great advantages in terms of students' learning outcomes and cognitive processes, and has elicited reflections and discussions among the teaching team.